Namaskar. Today we are going to see Dhanurasana. Warm up for Dhanurasana. Lie down on Makarasana. Keep the legs apart. Heels facing each other. Toes facing outwards. Fold the right hand and place the right palm on the left shoulder. Then similarly, keep the left palm on the right shoulder. Keep the chin on the point where the two arms cross. Relax on Makarasana posture. Now come to Sthiti from Makarasana. Lift your right legs up and down. Inhale, exhale. 2 times. Inhale, exhale. Don't bend the knee. Lift your left leg up and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now let your legs down. Lift your head up and down, up to the chest 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Now let's start Dhanurasana. Fold both the legs. Hold the respective feet below ankle joint with the hands. Inhale, raise the head, chest and also thighs by tugging hands and legs so that the spine arched backward like a bow. Look up. Do 3 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. Slowly return to Sthiti. Namaskar.